Hi, this is Scoggett. This is second part to my oven Mesquite Teriyaki and original Hickory beef jerky my way video. And this is second part. And in the first part, as you know, we went ahead and marinated the beef jerky. And it's been marinating overnight. So it's ready to go to the next stage. And this is the next stage here, what I'm going to show you. And it's very, very simple. It's not hard at all. And I'll go ahead and get into that and show you what I'm doing. What you want to do is you want to dry the beef jerky. And the way you do that, you just get some paper towels, just like this. And I put 2 layers of paper towels on the pan. Then I spread my jerky out. Then I just put another layer over it and pat it like that. And that's drying all the excess marinade off of it, because you want this really dry when you put it in the oven. And you can go ahead and once you get this dry like this, then you take your other beef jerky and you can just lay it on top like this. Because we're going to dry this out too. These are little smaller pieces than the other ones what I had, the other batch. I found out the easiest way to do this, to let it dry out a lot, is have a bowl with a colander, and it catches all the excess. And what I do first is I put this bowl with the marinade. I just dump the marinade in the colander and hold it over the sink and just kind of shake it to get all the excess marinade out. And then I bring it over and put it in the bowl because it will drip. And that's just the way I do it. Everybody's got a different way to do it. One. Then we just pat it dry, like I said. Get all that excess marinade out. Now you say, Scoggett, you've taken the marinade off the flavor. It's not, it's on the inside of that meat. Then I'll get me another paper towel here and just pat it a little bit more. And as you can see, it's already pretty dry. Now some of these has a little bit of fat on them right there, but I'm not going to be concerned about that right now. I'm going to wait till they cook up. I'm going to take a little bit of that off. And then I'm just going to cut where the fat is, I'm just going to whack the end. Now what we do is we just take a baking sheet here, remove this, Move this over here. That way you can see what I'm doing. And just put it on the bacon rack. Just like this. And you want these where they're not touching, kind of give them a little bit of room. Fill in the gaps here. It don't matter how you put these on, just as long as they're on there. These little pieces is just anywhere you can get them. Get some more paper towels and kind of dry this off a little better. As you can see, it's really dried out. Like I say, it don't matter how these are put on there. Just kind of work it in wherever. And that's the way you do it. And what you do from here is, as you can see, it's laid out and they're dried up. I mean, what you do from here is just set your oven. You set your oven to the lowest setting it will go. My lowest setting on mine, I found out, is about 175. So that's what I'm going to be putting these in for, at 175, because I can't get it any lower. I know there's some ovens out there which goes down to 160, and from there then it goes up. So, but mine's set 175, so that's the best I can do is the 175. I know my other oven, I could set it for I believe it's 165. But this is a new oven, so I'm going to be setting it at 175. And you just put these in the oven, and I'm using my convection oven. The convection oven is going to allow, it has a fan in the back what allows more distributed heat. So I'm going to be using my convection oven. If you don't have a convection oven, like I say, it's still going to work on the regular oven. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and my oven's preheated to 175. Go ahead and put these in and say, well, how long is it going to take? Well, I don't know. I mean, it could take 4 hours. It could take 6. It could take 8. It's all according. What you want to look for on the jerky is you want to look for kind of a leathery look to it. You know, a jerky look. What's not brittle where it comes apart. I mean, like when you snap it, not brittle. But you want to have a nice leathery look to it, which has dryness on the inside of the jerky, and it can also be a little bit chewy, but not a whole lot. You don't want to, you know, have it real chewy, but just a leathery look to it, I guess, best way to put it. So this is Scogget. I'm going to get these in the oven, and I'll have my third and final video coming up, and it will be the finished product, and I'll show you how it come out, and we'll go from there, and I'll be able to tell you how long it took me to cook mine, give you a ballpark figure. So this is Scogget. I appreciate all you viewers and subscribers out there, and have the third video coming up, and y'all take care.